Hey guys!
Coucou les amis, moi c'est Mbunda Honorine de la région du Nord-Ouest en Cameroun et je suis ici à Applied Skill Institute pour faire le cours barista.
Hi everyone, මෙතන හොඳම තැනක් Applied Skill Training Institute එක ගැන හොඳම තැනක් අනිවාර්යයෙන් මේකට join වෙන්න. මේක හොඳ professional barista කෙනෙක් වෙන්න පුළුවන්. හරිද? මෙතන එක මාසෙක course එක තියෙන්නේ අනිවාර්යයෙන් මේකට join වෙන්න. හරිද? මේක හොඳම තැනක් අනිවාර්යයෙන්.
Hi guys, I'm Kelvin Romula from Liberia. Welcome to Applied Skill Training Institute, the institute where you get the quality, the amazing training for become a professional barista. Start by, ladies and gentlemen, and enjoy our amazing coffee cappuccino, American coffee. And this is our professional machine. We have quality teachers here that give you the quality education you are looking for. So if you are in the UAE, whatever part of the world, you can apply Skill Training Institute today, and you'll be a professional and a seasoned barista. Thank you.
You have your coffee in your boutique.
Just try the coffee. So amazing.